Okay everyone, welcome back to another video where I might have kind of accidentally brought another car. Okay, yeah, so this is another car reveal. So since we started this channel a few years ago, Matt has brought one car, being the MX-5. I'm now on car 8 if we include this one today. So I might need some help, but we'll sort that another day. But yeah, we won't be staying too much time. Let's get into the car. Yeah, so you might recognise this car from a few weeks ago where I said this.
I haven't actually brought another Mini, but...
Funny thing about that...
I lied.
Yeah, so I didn't really lie at the time where I said that. Obviously, I reviewed this car at a time when I wasn't going to be buying it, had no plans to be buying it. But that was a while ago we filmed that video, so things have changed. This is basically going to be replacing the Cooper. The Cooper's going to become a daily, so... few things we have to get done with this. Obviously the interior now needs to come out of this one and go back into the other Mini, so that can be a bit better as a daily. But overall, very happy with this car. I mean, we've now got a supercharger, so this saves me boosting the Mini. Obviously future we might see how much power we can get out of this, but I kind of want to get it dynoed and see how much power it's making at the moment, because it's a bit of an older car, see how much it's still got going. But a few bits, we have already changed the exhaust because that had broken and fallen off. So that video is coming up next. Obviously plenty else, like I said, the interior delete. We got the bigger wheels from the other Mini to be swapped onto this. So need to check how they fit with the new suspension and that. So we might need spacers and other bits, maybe a bit of a wide body, who knows. But there'll be plenty coming up for it as well, because I mean, it needs a good clean at the moment. It really does that. Want to change up the colouring a little bit. Obviously needs some good stickers, make it a little bit more race car. Plenty of aero bits I've been looking at as well. But overall, basically, this is going to be transition from where it currently is into a track car, and hopefully eventually from there to a full race car. So roll cage and everything, which hopefully one day, some point soon, we'll actually be like doing proper races on this channel. So, but we'll see if we ever get to that point. I'm really hoping we do. That is the plan for this. So as that says, fingers crossed. But obviously, if you want to keep on track with all of that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, because like I said, we've got plenty coming up. We've already got the exhaust video coming, track day coming up very soon. Hopefully this will be ready, so this will be the one that's out on track, and I can hopefully be a bit faster than Matt this time that I've got a supercharger. I'm going to be really disappointed in myself if I'm not, so I'm going to be very upset. So let's hope that I am, because otherwise I'm going to be a bit embarrassed. I might as well give up at that point. But yeah, make sure you stay around for that, and we'll see you then, guys. Bye.